This is a quadratic equation. Let us try solving it by quadratic formula method. So before we start using quadratic formula method, we must always write down the standard quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Sorry. And then compare and find the value of a. So if we compare these two equations, the coefficient of x square is 3. Here the coefficient of x square is a. So if you compare these two things, you get a is equal to 3. My a is 3. Compare these two, you get b is equal to -9 and c is positive 6. Finally, I use the quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b squared minus 4ac whole upon twice of a. This is the formula that you can use for directly solving your quadratic equation and find the two values of x. So when I substitute my values here, my negative b. So my b is already negative, so it becomes negative of -9 plus minus b squared, meaning minus 9 whole squared minus 4 times ac. A is 3, c is 6. 3 times 6 whole upon 2 times a. My a is 3. So 2 times 3. Let us simplify it further. My x is equal to negative of -9 makes it a positive 9 plus minus square root of any kind of number, whether it is positive or negative, it turns out to be always positive. So 9 whole square is 81. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 6 is 72 upon 2 times 3 is 6. I solve it further and I get 9 plus minus square root of 81 minus 72 is 9 upon 6. I know that the square root of 9 is basically 3. So I get 9 plus minus 3 upon 6. You must be wondering why there are two signs here, plus and minus. I explain it now. So in the next step, as we know it's a quadratic equation, it must have precisely two values of x after solving. So how do we get from quadratic formula? So since I have 9 plus minus 3 upon 6, I split it into 2 as, so either your x is going to be equal to 9 plus 3 upon 6 or 9 minus 3 upon 6. So basically what I have done is I have split them into 2. So first value is going to be 9 plus 3 upon 6. Second value 9 minus 3 upon 6. We just need to simplify them. 9 plus 3 gives me 12 upon 6, or 9 minus 3 is 6 upon 6. So 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 1 is 6. So finally my x is 2 or 1. These are the two solutions that we were looking for. Thank you.